Hi guys, welcome back to the Bert's Auto Parts channel. We're here with another Bert's Auto Parts tutorial where we teach and you learn. Today we're going to be talking about a very exciting product, the LiquiMoly Fuel Injector Cleaner. The LiquiMoly Injector Cleaner provides a wide range of benefits for your car. Today we're going to discuss 3 of those benefits. It improves your throttle body response, and it also helps with rough idle and rough start. It helps to reduce emissions from your car and also helps with your fuel consumption. It helps to clean your fuel injectors without actually removing them. Alright, so firstly what you want to do is remove the can or remove the lid. Once you remove the lid, you go ahead and then remove the safety cap. Once the safety cap is removed, then you screw the nozzle onto the lid reverse, so it actually acts as a funnel. Did you know that this groove is actually for the gas tank lid? Once that is done, you go ahead, apply entire contents into your gas tank. Okay guys, so that was a quick tutorial on how to use the LiquiMoly Injector Cleaner. This and other LiquiMoly additives can be found at any Bert's Auto Parts location. Remember, it hurts if you don't check Bert's.